Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Christine, and today I wanted to share some of my current favorite vinyl finds with you guys. I've been collecting vinyl for about 5 years, and I've inherited a ton of records from my dad. This collection really feels like it's become my own, and I'm so excited about that, so let's get into it. The first vinyl on the list is Beware of the Dogs by Stella Donnelly, and I absolutely love this album. She's a Welsh-Australian singer-songwriter, and if you had to listen to a couple of songs off the album, I would recommend Old Man and Mosquito, as well as Watching Telly and Die. I think that her album is really fantastic because she sings about a lot of different social issues, but then the songs are so light and enjoyable that if you don't listen to them closely, you'd think it's a cute love song, but then when you hear the lyrics, you're like, oh wow, this is really important and has depth. So this is actually the inside cover sleeve. It says Beware of the Dogs, and then when you turn it around, you have all the lyrics on the back, so you can sing along. It has some gorgeous jade pressing, and I absolutely love it. This is side A with all the songs, and then we have side B that just says Beware of the Dogs. The next album is from Majid Jordan, and it's The Space Between. This one was on sale, so I had to pick it up, and it has quite a couple of sides. There's 2 vinyl records in this album, and once again, it doesn't flip open. It's kind of tight. That was like my one thing about this album is it's just kind of shoved in here, so this is what it looks like. A couple of my favorite songs are OG Heartthrob and My Imagination featuring Division. The final record that I picked up from Princeton Record Exchange was a steal and a single off of Forever. This is from Jungle, and it's Heavy California, and on the back it has Cherry, and I absolutely love Heavy California. I just want to shout out my friend Brian because he introduced me to this band not too long ago, maybe in the summer of 2018, and this is what the packaging looks like, and it's on a very nice sleek black vinyl record. I actually ended up getting some tickets to see Jungle the same week, so I spontaneously went to their concert, and first of all, they're amazing live, so I had to pick up their album on vinyl. So this is the Forever album. It's in this gorgeous yellow color, and on the back we have their songs by title. I think my favorite songs are definitely Beat 54, All Good Now, KCO, because it makes me so happy anytime it comes on, and Heavy California, of course. When you open it, there's the iconic 1985 Ford Escort that they've customized. Here we have the band, and then on the back there are the lyrics to all the songs. This gorgeous vinyl, so worth it. I've never picked up a yellow vinyl, and I love this color. I have a white turntable, so whenever I put this on there, I just feel so summery and happy, especially with KCO. It has such a retro vibe to it, and I think you guys will enjoy it as well. The next few albums come from Princeton Record Exchange out in Fishtown. The first one is from Chicago, and I'll be honest, I don't know their albums too well, but I know the songs I do like. So when I saw this, I was thinking it was Chicago X, but I wasn't sure, so I had to look it up on Spotify, and when I confirmed, I was so excited because this was only $4, and to me, that's a steal. When you open it, you get a little insert with all the lyrics, and my favorite song is If You Leave Me Now. So if you know that song, you know it. It's just one of my favorite songs. I just remember growing up and listening to it, and I have some fond memories. I also forgot to note that for the Chicago X album, it does open up and you have some really cool album artwork. Once again, it's the band running away from the police. I think it's really cool. It almost looks like new, so whoever had this, thank you for taking care of it and really cherishing it, and I'll be sure to cherish it now too. The next find that I came across is one of my favorite all-time groups growing up, The Temptations. This is With a Lot of Soul. Every song on here is so good. I can't even pick. Ain't No Sun Since You've Been Gone, You're My Everything, Save My Love for a Rainy Day. Honestly, this whole album's so good, so danceable, and really enjoyable. I absolutely adore it. I'm so happy I found it. When you open it, you have the Motown Sound albums. You get this. The last record store that I went to was Generation Records out in New York. This is the TCB original soundtrack from Diana Ross, The Supremes, and The Temptations. Oh my god, I'm so happy I found this because one, this is literally history. It's a live recording, so it's almost like going to a concert. Album artwork is just shots from the actual performance, and this was such a good find. I'm so happy. It's a little delicate, and I definitely need to tape it up. We have the Motown albums, once again, from the Motown sound. And then this is the album. Once again, the vinyl is in great condition, and this is such a treat because you get to hear the introductions from all the groups, and then they do like quick little medleys, and it's just so enjoyable. The harmonies are amazing, just everything about them. It's just great to hear them, and probably one of my favorite record finds of the season. I guess from this, it's really hard to pick favorites because there's 3 groups. I think I really liked Stop in the Name of Love medley. Then there was also The Way You Do the Things You Do from Diana Ross. It was a medley that was really nice. And then Ain't Too Proud to Beg, and the whole intro to the Temptations was fantastic. You just have to listen to this from beginning to end. And I don't know if it's online or anything, but if you ever find this, don't sleep on it. I got it for like a really great price. I got this for $6, so I'm so happy about this. Clearly, I've been pretty busy collecting a lot of vinyl this season. I do have a couple of pre-orders coming in, so I can't wait to share them with you once they arrive. Stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single video from yours truly. I also want to know what your favorite album is currently or of all time. Mine is definitely Freudian from Daniel Caesar. It's a timeless and stunning album that I can play on repeat. So I highly recommend checking it out if you haven't already. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all so much. Bye!